Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. We recently did a video where we introduced the 25-year-old technology of the George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill. Well, in that episode we were cooking inside. Well, wouldn't it be remiss of us not to do a video outside? I've been waiting to use that word in the video all my adult life. Alright, like I said in the previous video, I showed you how to put together the George Foreman grill, and this stand and the base is just a formality. You don't really have to have that, especially if you're using this thing on the countertop. Now, with that being said, let's get started. We're going to remove our lid. We're going to go ahead and cut old George on. So we're going to turn our George Foreman grill on, just like we did last time when we were inside. We got it set at 5. Y'all see that? Yep. We got it set at 5. We're gonna let it heat up. Gonna put a little bit of oil on it. We got our burger patties already set up and ready to go. Now, if y'all stick around to the end of the video, we're going to toast our buns on here, and we're also going to grill our onions. So y'all stick around for the end result. That is on. All right, they're already starting to sear. Y'all can see the size of this thing. We got 7 burgers on here. You know what? We're gonna do 6 right now. I wanna leave some room for the buns. So we're gonna do 6 burgers. We're gonna let those cook on each side for 4 or 5 minutes. That was a little thick. We're gonna come back and we're gonna flip these over. We're gonna put our onions on. We're gonna grill us a few onions. We'll come back and put the buns on and a little butter. We'll brown those real quick. These things are searing so loud, you probably can hear it in the background. They almost covered up my voice. So let's go ahead and put the lid on this thing. Let the burgers do their thing, and we'll be back shortly. All right, fam. Thing is going good. Time for our first flip. These are some thick burgers here on the end. And that one's gonna have to probably cook a little longer. You know what? I'm going inside and get another spatula. This is not my grill. Like I mentioned in the previous video, this is my sister-in-law's grill. So I don't want to scar it or scratch it with this metal spatula. So I'm going to go inside and get a plastic spatula. Be right back. Alright, let's go ahead and get these onions sauteing. By the time we get these onions done, the burgers should be ready to come off. And then we'll put the hamburgers on, the buns on. We'll put some a little butter on the buns. Put them on each side, put them on for about 30 seconds or so, and they should be good to go. We'll be back in a minute. All right, we're gonna flip these babies one more time, along with the onions. We're gonna flip the onions as well. These are rather thick on the end. Put a little hole in the middle. Make sure these things are done all the way through. All right, let's give that a few more minutes. Then we'll pull the burgers off. We'll go ahead and plate those. We'll get the buns on. It'll be supper time. Bam. I just tested a little piece of the burger, one of the burgers on the end, just to see if it was done all the way through. I wasn't going to mention the seasoning that I used. It was just basic salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of Dale's liquid seasoning. These things are freaking delicious, I'm not kidding. That Dale's, and I've mentioned that probably in my last 5-6 videos, that freaking Dale's give it a smoky flavor. I can't even describe it. These things are, oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and pull these things off. I'm ready to eat. Go ahead and plate the burgers. Go ahead and pull the onions. Now when we put the buns on, they're gonna be extra special because, I mean, who wouldn't want a nice buttered bun? If we're gonna add a little, I can't believe it's butter. Who wouldn't like their buns buttered on a greasy grill surface? What's better? Let's get the buns over. We're gonna spray them down. Time for replacement. Go ahead and throw these buns right there in the thick of things. Just for a couple of seconds. I knew it. Here comes my boy. Here comes my boy, Fitzgerald. What's up, Fitz? Did you smell meat? I forgot one thing. Something I want to try. Real quick. Every now and then, on my burger. Now that didn't work. Try to get fancy to do it with one hand. Go ahead and start over. I ain't wasting good egg. Put that off in the corner. Let's set this down. That was the problem. Now, let's try that again. There we go. If you've never had a burger with egg, you don't know what you're missing. There's the buns. Hello, Fitzgerald. Y'all see Fitz there? Move, Fitz. People don't like, hey, people don't like dogs around their food. We don't want our subscribers to think that you're all over our food all the time, even though he is. Alright fam, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, the egg on this George Foreman griddle with the grill plate is not a good idea. I probably won't edit this out of the video just in case one of y'all try it, but not a good idea. If it was a flat top, that would be different. But on this graded surface, that's a no-go. That's the best I can do. Alright, fam. As usual, if you like this video, give her a thumbs up. If you didn't, give her a thumbs down. And bring reason why in the comment section. And if you like what we're doing here, this and that, in the year 2020, y'all consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the old notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Yes, it is your boy Rosie. Peace.